my lovelies. So I'm back. This is Victoria, remember, owner of Lady V Dynasty Boutique, as well as LVD Inked for illustrations and books, mostly children's books. I'm back because I want to do a tutorial on a simple fall bodycon dress that I will accompany with a leather obi belt, which I'll also make a second video for that. So just come along with me and watch how we do this. So as we focus in, you can see I'm using one of my bodycon dresses. It is a size medium, so this dress will be a size medium. As you can see, I've already traced out how I want the back and the front to look. My fabric is laid out. And to conserve fabric, I only use a little at a time, so it's only folded halfway over on the stretch side because this is stretch knit fabric. It's only a two-way, not a four-way, so I have to make sure it's going to stretch on the right side of the grain. So just so you can see, I didn't want the tiny straps. I made big rectangular straps. And I'm going to have a long piece of fabric that's going to encase this side. It's going to encase over here, encase over here, encase around here. And you'll see me when I sew that. So mostly this dress will consist of two bodies, front and back, as well as a strip for the neck. Okay, so now the next thing to do is just to cut. and then I sew. Once one machine has all white, this is the black threaded machine, which is single stitch, and that's the white. Because sometimes you have to go in and out, and it's just easier when you have more than one machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to sew here, sew the shoulder seams together. Then I'm going to sew the actual neckband together. And after that, that's when I will add the actual sleeves, because these will already be connected, so it'll make attaching the sleeve much easier. And then we'll finish off with doing the body and hemming at the bottom and at the ends of the sleeves. But you can do that after you attach the sleeves as well. It's easier when you do it with the serger. So let's get to it. And after doing all this sewing from the serger to the stitch, we'll have our final project. Thank you for your patience. Please like, share, subscribe, and meet me back here at Lady P Dynasty Boutique channel to learn more tips and tricks and tutorials. I thank you for watching. Let's talk soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.